Alright, so in this video we're going to be discussing pre versus p. I just made that the title because it sounds just really ridiculous to me. So let's come in here and investigate the difference between the p tag and the pre tag. Now I already have this paragraph tag here. We've seen it a zillion times. I don't think that's cheating. And let's just save this. All right, it's saved. Let's refresh it. And let's expand this out. Oh yeah, I think that we've seen that before. Visual Studio Code will just slap that back. So let's do this. And so we have, this is a paragraph element and some stuff goes here, la la la, and we see that there's a gap. What if we wanted to be more, I guess, strict about what we wanted to do with our text? You could copy and paste this here, hit save, and we see that this is, well, exactly how we wrote it out here. Pre stands for pre-formatted text. And so if I wanted to bring it all the way back here, we would see that it indeed just flies all the way back. I want some tacos. Let's slap that in the middle. And we can see this goes here. Now, if I wanted to just do some really weird stuff like this, we could see that whatever you enter in here, it preserves it, literally how you write it. And there's some advantages, disadvantages to this. Most likely you're going to be using a paragraph tag to keep it all together because your end users, typically top, bottom, left to right readers here. But sometimes you need the pre tag maybe for some more stylistic kind of stuff, or maybe you just need a bit more freedom with your text. I don't know what your use case is, but this is the difference between the paragraph tag and the pre-formatted tag. Like, share, subscribe, and thank you for your time.